Day Say Kids.
Reading comprehension for children. Read the short story twice and answer the following questions. My name is Lisa. I am 10 years old. My hobbies are reading, singing, painting, and dancing. I like to read stories, paint pictures, and sing songs. I go to music class to learn music in my school. Also, my most favorite hobby is dancing. I love to dance. I like folk dance. So, I go to dance classes in the weekend. I want to become a dancer in future. Now it's your turn. Let's try to read. Time to think. I will ask you 6 questions based on a little story. Try to answer within 5 seconds. Say true or false. Question number 1. Lisa is 2 years old. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option B, false. Question number 2. Lisa has 4 hobbies. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option A, true. Question number 3. She likes to read newspaper. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option B, false. Question number 4. She goes to dance classes in the dash. Option A, weekdays. Option B, weekend. Option C, month-wise. Answer option B, weekend. Question number 5. What does she like to do? Option A, reading. Option B, cooking. Option C, acting. Answer option A, reading. Question number 6. What does she want to be? Option A, an artist. Option B, a singer. Option C, a dancer. Answer option C, a dancer. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.